One day, while scrolling through Twitter, I came across a thread that shocked me. Dozens of people were posting about the worst hotels in Zimbabwe. Dirty rooms, broken toilets, no electricity, and even cockroaches in bed. I could not believe it, so I decided to see it by myself. I booked one of the most talked about hotels from that list, and what I found inside was worse than I expected. So guys, I just arrived at the hotel, and I want to see, is it exactly the truth that people were saying in the reviews? So the first person is Israel Sigalke. The bathroom was stinking last time I visited, the rest was lekker cooked. Thanks to reception lady who gave me a warm welcome. So I wanna see if I will be given a welcome. And is the bathroom what he said? And Takama said, in terms of service, they offer a good service. Some of the rooms are very nice, but they need to improve on water supply. That's what Takama said. Tinotenda said, the yard is well finished, buffalo designs, bath facility the same, toilet facility poor, room services subpart, and the staff is friendly. Except for the gate guard who somehow have a say in how rooms are run. That's what he said. Innocent said they should improve on their toilets. They are in bad shape, very dirty, and appearance is not good at all. Seems like the toilets are not good, because with these reviews, yo. And the other thing that I'm seeing, no one commented on Wi-Fi. Seems like there is no Wi-Fi. There's no Wi-Fi. These are the Imperial Skates. It's a good place for short stays and clean rooms. They should add a restaurant. But on that post, I can see that they wrote it. There is breakfast, but what? There is a restaurant. That's what they said. But this one said there is no. So I'm here to find out. Good staff, neat rooms, through linen, not so clean. That's what Munyaradzi said. And then Hama said the place look nice on the outside. Hopefully the inside is as nice. Those are the reviews. Need to improve a little. That's what God knows says. Benjamin says improve room furnitures. Prince said always stayed there when in Harare. Wow. And Ntando Shabalala gave a 1 comment, 1 star. Just passed nearby. That's what he said. So I'm here to find out, and I'll also put my stars and reviews here. Let's hope we'll find this very nice, or what they said it is.
Day $30.
Day $30, then $5 per hour.
Yeah, 10 per hour.
So here I was chatting with the receptionist, and she started telling me some prices. Out of nowhere, she offered me some condoms because she saw me with my camera lady and she didn't know our mission.
And the look more exit. Ma protected them.
Huh?
Ma protected.
So guys, the first thing that I wanna give a comment on is the hospitality with the reception girl. First thing he asked me, do you want the protectors? I was given the protector for my camera lady. So I was given this one. But at first I thought maybe they are for free. No, they are not for free. And then I was deducted my $1 for the change, you know. So which means I paid something like $6 with the protector. That's the first thing, because you know, safety first. And I was also given these ones. I don't know the use for these ones, or maybe it's for the because I don't think you can use them while there's no water. Yeah, like literally there's no water, so I don't think you use it for that. The first thing is the door. and they have no like even the hinge is not working. You have to put this one. You have to put a stone for you to close the door. That's the first thing, guys. Then the light, I've already put my phone here to support with the light. The light is just like this. As you can see, that's the light. The walls, they were painted long back, these ones. I think with my light you are seeing something which is clear, but it's not even. There was some nice views here outside. You can see the walls, the walls, like the long big walls. Then the ceiling, guys, I don't wanna lie. You can see the ceiling. It's just the roofing sheets here. There's no even a ceiling. And after 2 minutes or 5 minutes, they'll be talking to each other because the wind, you hear them. Soon, if the wind starts blowing, you hear them. They'll be talking to each other like. Then let me come here onto the toilet. This one is the bathing room combined with the toilet. Let's test if it's not even okay. There's no water. Like, how would you bath? There's no water here. Wow. Guys, the toilet is not even giving. Is there water here? You don't have even the water to flush the toilet. There's no even water to flush the toilet. Like how? Like what this guy told me, the toilet is not even giving. And what is this one? Maybe electrocuted here because the wires they are live. Like the wires they are live. Guys, that's why this photo is rated badly, because I don't think you will be able to come here and rest. You can only come here to sleep. Yeah. Yes. You can come here for your sleep. This one is a sheet. Guys, I think people have been sleeping here for a lot. Like, we've been sleeping here, guys, because this is the bed. And it does not even have a drawer here. There should be a drawer somewhere. I think someone carried the drawer to his house, like, because how comes that isn't you guys, this is not it. Let me just sort their things out here. So if you want to do sex here, I don't think you'll be able, because this is the noise that you'll be having here. And my camera lady is just laughing like. Most of the people seems like they sit mostly on this side. Let's see this guy. You hear the sounds. The roof is just talking to each other like, hello, how are you? You see, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, the bed is just giving. It's just 2 minutes from cracking these ones. And they have no even the drawer, there's no even the drawers are not here. I don't know these type of designs, but they look like old-fashioned things. See, I don't think I'll take a sleep here, even for a night, because just see, there's no even a blanket. There's no blanket. You'll be sleeping on the sheets, or maybe it's just for the hour thing, I don't know. But that was it, guys. I don't think I'll be able to sleep here.